Hi friends, today we are going to do some fun experiments. Try to do them with us.
Today we are going to make an indicator for testing acid or base. So first we are going to talk about what is an acid, what is an base and what is an indicator. First we are going to learn what is an acid. You know the curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The word acid comes from the Latin word acid, which means sour. The acids in these substances are natural acids. Now, think about baking soda. Does it taste sour? If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that it has no acids in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between fingers, it feels soapy. Generally, substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching, is known as bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. If we cannot taste every substance, how do we find its nature? Special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. So now we are going to make a natural indicator with turmeric. For this we will need a cup, some turmeric and some water and a paintbrush and a paper. First, add some water. Add the turmeric in the water. Now mix it. Let us take the turmeric water and paint it in the paper. And leave it for drying. Now our turmeric paper has dried. Now just after drying, you just rub the paper so that the extra turmeric will fall and then the paper will be turned into yellow color. I have cutted a strip out of that. I have a base solution which is soap solution. This is made up of washing powder and water. Make a very thick solution. Don't add so much of water. Next we have acid, which is lemon juice. Now let us take some lemon juice and apply it on the turmeric paper. You will not see any differences because acid, when touches on the indicated turmeric paper, it does not change in any color. Now let us take the base solution and apply it. Can you see the red color which have formed in the turmeric paper? This means that the soap solution is a base. We have seen only one natural indicator, which is turmeric solution, and we have made turmeric paper. Now we have other two natural indicators. One is litmus and another is China rose, which is also called as hibiscus. Now first, what is litmus? It is a natural dye. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has mauve, purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of a solution or in the form of strips of paper, known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. Now, we have also natural indicator called hibiscus or China rose. Now let's see how that works. Now what you should do for that is, collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. Add some warm water. Keep the mixture for some time, or almost 20 minutes in the warm water, till it becomes colored. Use the colored water as an indicator. Add 5 drops of indicator to each of the solution, which is acid and base. what is the effect of the indicator on acidic, basic or neutral solution? So when the the hibiscus solution, which is the indicator, added to an acid, it changes some yellow or orangish color. And when it is added to a base, it changes into dark green color. And when added to a neutral solution, it keeps the color which was there before when we created the solution. For this, we will firstly need cells. So I am taking 2. Next, we will need wires. So we can take different colors of wires so that it will be easy for recognizing. I have took red and white colors. So when you take a wire, you make sure end of it will have this copper part. So I will teach you how to cut that. So first, this wire I have not taken that part. So I'll first take a small part of it. Just lightly, just press the scissor. Don't cut it fully. You will get a line over there. So until that time, you should press it. So now if you see, you get a line over here. Now if you just press it over that. And now we finish cutting this part. So if you press little hard, then the whole wire will get cut off. So you should make sure that you press little light until that crack comes and then you can break it off. So we got that wire over here, both sides. So now we will take this aside. First, for the circuit, we will need one motor. I have taken this wheel from this car. So in this car, I have just taken out this screw and this inside this car, this part I have taken. So over here there will be a wheel, so I have taken that out. I just cutted the 2 wires which was joined and I got this. So here I have already taken out the copper wire of over here, if you see. So now we will simply just join the cell with it and it will start running. So let's start. So for this, we should first let me explain you about this cell. So in a cell we will have one positive terminal and one negative terminal. So this side they have marked this as the positive terminal, and over this side they are, we all know if this side is positive then this is negative. So this is positive side and this is negative side. So this is called one cell. But if you take 2 cells, then and if you join it like this, that means it is a battery. The battery is in different ways, not only in like joining 2 cells. You can join 3 cells, 4 cells, how many ever you join. 1 or more cells, if you join 1 or more cells together with the opposite terminals, that means it's called a battery. So if you join this and if you make a holder of this, like in the car and all, if you see in this behind part, you can see this square side. So this is a cell holder. Over here we should place it how we say, like this. So if we place it like this, look, it is opposite sides only. So if you place it like this only, the circuit will be ready. And this is also a battery only. So why do they call this place as a battery? Because it needs 4 cells over here. So this is how we differentiate a battery from a cell. So now let's take one cell and let's take the motor which we already took. So let's join one wire to this side of the cell, and let's join this side of the cell to this side of the wire. And 1 minute. So it started just running. Okay. So this is how this motor car also goes. So over here they have given 4 wheels to it. That means there will be 4 connections like that. And since this is a motor car, like the remote control car, we connected with the remote, but here I have shown with the cell. So this is how the basic plane this car runs. Let me show you once again. Hi friends, welcome to Kutties, chutties. Today we are going to see a activity based on chemical change, and we are going to see what is a physical change and what is a chemical change. Let's see. So now, what is a physical change? Properties such as shape, size, color and state of a substance are called its physical properties. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical property is called physical change. A physical change is generally reversible. In such a change, no new substances is formed. Now, let's learn what is a chemical change. A change in which one or more substances are formed is called a chemical change. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction, and these changes cannot be reversed, like how we grow, or how a fruit's ripening, or the fermentation of grapes, or the digestion of food in our body, etc. Now we are going to see how to make a chemical change. For this you will need vinegar, color powder, baking soda and a glass. First let's add little bit of baking soda in the glass. Now let's add little bit of color powder. Now we have mixed the baking soda with the color powder. Now let's pour the vinegar and see what happens. Whoa! Look at that hissing sound and look at what change have happened. Now let's pour some more.